Welcome, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. We're going to talk about one of the most important challenges of our time, keeping artificial intelligence safe and under control. This isn't just about technology. It's about how innovation, ethics, and our responsibility as humans all come together. Let's start with a simple question. Imagine driving a very fast, powerful car, but there's no brake pedal. How safe would you feel? That's kind of where we are with AI. It's getting more powerful, but our control over it isn't keeping up. To see why this is so critical, let's look at a couple of real-world examples. Remember Microsoft's chatbot Tay? Back in 2016, it was designed to interact with people and learn from them. But within hours, it started saying hateful things. It wasn't malicious. It just learned from the worst parts of the internet. This showed us how quickly things can go wrong without safeguards. Or think about self-driving cars. They're promising, but there have been accidents where the AI made mistakes. This shows us that we need to be able to step in when AI acts unpredictably or dangerously. So how do we build that brake pedal for AI? Researchers are looking at several ways. One is called formal verification. This means using math to prove that an AI will behave as intended, even in unexpected situations. It's like having guarantees about what the AI can and cannot do. Another approach is explainable AI, or XAI. This makes AI decision-making more transparent. If we understand why an AI makes a certain choice, we can better decide when and how to intervene. Researchers are even developing tripwires, which allow us to set conditions where the AI should shut itself down automatically. It's like having an emergency stop button within the system. Now let's talk about something else called living intelligence, or LI. Unlike regular AI, LI systems adapt to their environments but stay aligned with human values. This means humans and AI work together to guide and refine the system's behavior. It's a way to make sure the system evolves with us, instead of on its own. But technical solutions aren't everything. We also need to think about the ethical rules that guide AI development. How do we make sure human values are part of these systems? How do we ensure there's oversight as AI keeps advancing? These are the questions that ethicists and technologists are trying to answer. So where do we go from here? Well, making sure AI is safe is something we all have to work on together. It's not just about engineers and developers. It's also about policymakers, ethicists, and everyone demanding that these systems are developed responsibly. Let's go back to that high-speed car analogy. We don't just need a brake pedal for AI. We need a dashboard, a manual, and even a co-pilot to help us navigate. We need systems that are transparent, adaptable, and always under human control. Thank you for spending this time with me to explore this topic. As we move forward, I encourage you to think about how these issues affect all of us. If you have any thoughts or questions, I'd love to hear them. Let's keep this conversation going because the future of AI is something we're all building together.